Technology Incorporated. Armor God Street, mga Ivan, signed, Angelo Bertudes, teacher in AP9.
Yan na!
The place of 90, AP9. Stand here, Miss Princess Celine C. Next, another 90, Rain Andrea D.
Nice one! Nice one!
Next, 90 again, Paulo J.
Yay!
With a grade of 91.
Ayun tanggapin!
Next, 91, that's Brian R.
Hey, Brian!
With a grade of 91, Princess Stamina V.
You know, you know. TV ba?
1, 2, 3, jump!
Jump.
1, 2, 3. Jump shot!
Jump shot. Congrats! Congrats!
Grade of 92, Back Turtle A.
Yeah, boys! Galing mo!
With a grade of 93, naroon panglipunan 9, John Philip Arnold.
Go, Philip! Mr. Philip!
Next, the grade of 93, Sophia Lauren A. Canla.
Galing, oh.
Next, 94 naman tayo. Jeremy C. Alcantara.
Wow! OPM! Idol!
Another 94, Lorraine Polina.
Sige, sige.
1, 2, 3.
Ngiti, Philip!
Jump shot! Hindi!
Natadulo na ng dila ko.
Jump shot!
Dila mo. Palakpak! Palakpak! Mga kapalilya!
Next, 94 ulit. Liza May
Nice, 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 nice.
Ay, mabait ako eh. Baka ma-jinx.
95 naman tayo. Possessor.
Go! Sep! 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 Sep!
Next, another 95. Remian Matthew Isaac.
President! Idol, oh!
With a grade of 96.
Hey!
Bennett Adelaide F. Another 96. Carlene Abigail.
Abi! Abi!
Picture na tayo. Hindi naman tagal pwesto. Sorry.
1, 2, 3.
Last 5 na lang tayo. Last 5.
Last 5.
Grade of 96.
Hi!
Sophia R.
boy.
Another grade of 96. Alea Q. That's my girl. Next, the grade of 97.
Wow!
Caitlin K.
Galing oh!
Another 97. Rhea Elaine.
Wow!
Oh!
Hey! Naging model!
Pauso ba?
Yun oh! Ayun oh! Kinikinig!
Now rank 1 sa ating
Yes! Sino yun? Sino yun?
quarter ay si Charlene Angel F.
Yay! Si Shirley na! Ayun oh!
One, two, 1, 2, 3. Isa pa daw. Post kayo para maangas. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Oy, ito ulit. Ito ulit.
Salitin mo na tayo.
Wala pa.
Hindi ko nabilang to kasi ako bibigyan ng mo. So every 5 students ulit have photo opportunity. Let me read the citation. Proficient Reader Award is given to grade 9 Gaia for her or his active participation and commendable performance in EasyCat's intervention program in reading for the first quarter of school year 2025. Given on this 4th day of September 2025 at Early Christian College of Arts and Technology Incorporated. Signed, Judea Lisa S. De La Vera, LPD, Junior High School Reading Teacher. Signed, Nimpa D.C. Vicente, Junior High School Department Head, and Margarita J. Mercado, LPD, DEM, School Principal.
School principal.
First awardee is Sophia Lauren G.
Wow! Nice! Nice!
Next awardee, Caitlin K. Pitilo. Next awardee is Ashley Ann D.C. Galvin. Next is Liza May L. Hermosa. And Adelaine Ray C. Manalo. Next awardee and reading IPR is Dorothy B. Pasco. Next awardee, Marlene Abigail. Next awardee, Sophia R. Pabawasan ulit ang weight nyo. Next awardee, Jeremy C. And Paolo J. Cabu.
Yun oh!
Wave kayo dyan, wave.
Wave. Oh, wave.
Kaway, kaway, kaway. May 7 na lang to. So, isang picture na lang. 6, 7. Next awardee is Mac Dervin is...
Mac! Idol!
Next is Remian Matthew R. Another Jose Salopin or...
Oh, wave, 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 wave!
Tagal.
Next awardee, Princess Celine. Same and
Yun!
Next is Alea Pupra. Sabay kayo.
Wave.
The last two. Next awardee is Bennett Adelaide and
Woo! Bea.
Now our last awardee sa ating intervention program in reading ay si Charlene Angel and
Yun na! Wave, wave, wave!
Picture. Ay, lang yan. Ipawag si mong fight kayo na yan. Ay, ka, ikaw, fight kayo na yan. 1, 2, 3.
Ngiti!
1, 2, 3.
Yun.
Lipat na tayo!
Eto na!